The universe is vast and ancient, a mystery for most of human history. We gazed at the stars wondering what lay beyond, but our view was always limited. Earth's atmosphere blurred our vision like peering through rippling water. To see further we had to leave our planet behind. Enter the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most powerful eye in space. Floating 1 million miles from Earth, JWST is a marvel of engineering, a golden honeycomb mirror designed to look back in time. Because light takes time to travel, JWST lets us see the universe as it was billions of years ago. Its specialty? Infrared light, heat our eyes can't see, but which reveals newborn stars and hidden galaxies behind cosmic dust. With JWST, we peer through these clouds, uncovering secrets invisible to any previous telescope. Since its launch, JWST has delivered breathtaking images, stellar nurseries, colliding galaxies, and even the atmospheres of distant exoplanets. Each image is a postcard from the edge of time, a piece of the cosmic puzzle. JWST is not just a telescope, it's a time machine, a tool for discovery, and a testament to human curiosity. It's changing everything we thought we knew about space. Every new observation pushes the boundaries of our understanding. The universe is revealing itself in ways we never imagined. And with JWST, we're only just beginning to explore. It's our greatest tool for cosmic discovery. The mysteries it uncovers remind us how much more there is to learn. The journey has only just begun. During a routine observation, astronomers using JWST stumbled upon the unexpected. They were studying a distant galaxy cluster using gravitational lensing to peer deeper into the universe. The telescope was pointed at a seemingly empty patch of sky in the Fornax cluster, gathering faint light over hours. As images came in, familiar galaxies appeared until something strange caught a scientist's eye. In the corner, a single, perfectly straight line of light. Nature rarely creates perfect lines in space, especially on such a scale. The team suspected a glitch, maybe a satellite trail or a detector error, but diagnostics showed everything was normal. They repointed the telescope. The line remained, unmoved and persistent. It wasn't a star, a galaxy, or any known phenomenon. Excitement and confusion swept through the control room. This was something entirely new, something not in any textbook. A routine observation had become a profound mystery. The universe had thrown a curveball. JWST had found not just what it was looking for, but something no one could have predicted. The discovery electrified the team. What was this line? Why was it there? The search for answers had begun. The cosmos had just revealed a new secret, and the world was about to take notice. The JWST had opened a door to the unknown. The mystery was only deepening. Why is a line of light so unsettling? Why is a line of light so unsettling? In science, the most terrifying discoveries are those that break the rules. This object defies our understanding of physics. Its perfect straightness is unnatural. Space shapes things into clumps and spirals, not razor-thin lines. Even more disturbing, its scale. Millions of light-years long, yet impossibly thin. Gravity should tear it apart, but it remains intact. The real shock light from one end seems to communicate instantly with the other, across cosmic distances. This violates the universal speed limit. Nothing should travel faster than light. It's not a monster, but a challenge to reality itself. The object hints that our most basic scientific laws might be incomplete. It's a cosmic ghost, a sign that the universe holds secrets we can barely imagine. The terror lies in the unknown. The rules we trust may not be as solid as we thought. Scientists call the object the locus, and its properties are baffling. First, its structure, a one-dimensional line, sharp and consistent, unlike any known cosmic jet or filament. It doesn't radiate heat like other energetic objects. It's as if space itself has been sliced with surgical precision. Second, its composition spectroscopy reveals a flat, featureless spectrum. No elements, no chemical fingerprint. Everything else in the universe has a signature. The locus has none. Third, its non-locality. The ends of the line seem linked, behaving as a single entity across millions of light-years. This is quantum weirdness on a cosmic scale, unprecedented in astronomy. Its age is another mystery. We see it as it was billions of years ago, but its origin is unknown. It has no clear beginning or end, stretching beyond JWST's view. The locus is a cosmic question mark, defying explanation. It challenges everything we know about matter, energy, and the fabric of reality. The more we study it, the stranger it becomes. The universe has never shown us anything like this. The James Webb Space Telescope made this discovery possible. Its massive gold-coated mirror collects faint infrared light from the farthest reaches of space. Positioned at the L2 point, 1 million miles from Earth, JWST stays cold and stable, perfect for sensitive observations. Its tennis court-sized sunshield blocks heat, keeping instruments at frigid temperatures. This engineering marvel lets JWST see what no other telescope can. The locus is exactly why we build such tools, to find the unexpected. JWST isn't just confirming what we know, it's revealing what we never imagined. Every discovery pushes the boundaries of human knowledge. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we ever dreamed. Theories about the locus spread quickly. Some suggest it's a cosmic string, a relic from the early universe, dense and thin, warping space itself. Others propose a domain wall, a boundary between regions of the universe with different physical laws. The most radical idea, an alien megastructure, a sign of intelligence on a galactic scale. Most scientists are skeptical, but the data defies easy explanation. The featureless spectrum and instant connection challenge every natural theory. No current model fits all the facts. The scientific process is in overdrive. Papers, debates, and new models emerge daily. The locus is the biggest puzzle in astronomy. It's forcing scientists to question their assumptions and think beyond established physics. The truth remains elusive. But the search is pushing science into uncharted territory. The universe is demanding new answers. The locus has already changed the future of space exploration. It's broadened the search for life and intelligence. Maybe we should look for artifacts, not just signals. Future telescopes may be designed to spot cosmic engineering. The discovery highlights the value of investing in pure science and exploration. It inspires new technology, global collaboration, and a race for knowledge. Observatories worldwide are now focused on the locus, pooling data and expertise. The challenge is too big for any one nation or discipline. The discovery forces us to confront profound questions. Is our physics incomplete? Are we alone? Either answer would reshape our understanding of the universe. The locus marks a new chapter in our cosmic journey. It's a catalyst for discovery, wonder, and possibility. The universe is inviting us to look deeper. The adventure is just beginning. What's next for the locus? Scientists are gathering more data, using every instrument on JWST and other telescopes. They'll analyze its light, search for hidden features, and check for radio signals. The Hubble and radio arrays will join the hunt, probing the locus in every wavelength. The object's vast distance makes study difficult, like deciphering a city from a single blurry photo. New models and simulations will test every possible explanation. The mystery may persist for years, or even decades. We may lack the technology to solve it now. But that's the beauty of science. The journey matters as much as the answer. The locus has opened a new door in our quest to understand the cosmos. We're only beginning to explore the unknown. The universe has given us its greatest puzzle yet, and the search for answers has only just begun.